Hello, it is me, the ghost with the most. Just kidding, I'm just super pale. I'm not really a ghost, I swear. I'm so glad you could make it. So we're gonna do some more makeup tonight. Just because I can, pretty much. Because I've got the time. I'm tired of shit, so I made myself a tea. This is my tea. I'm tired today. So anyway. So I'm gonna mix some color and I'm gonna get started right away. Hey Ricky Lynn, how's it going? Just gonna... This, you're not supposed to get in your eyes, and I literally just stuck it right in the corner of my eye. Hey Barb, how's it going? If you can guess what I'm doing, you should guess. I know this is just like a green line on my face. I need a different brush, a bigger brush now. Ooh, that's full of powder. Look at this color green. I was gonna put glue over my eyebrows. Kinda too late for that now. It's fine. Let's just paint over them. Also, guess what I friggin' found today? My silver wig. This one looks kind of like ratty right now. It needs to be a little taken care of because my kid was playing with it for a while, but it is a nice wig. It's actually a nice wig. Right now I'm just using this Pro Air Hybrid. It's really liquidy and watery and it kind of dries like a powder finish. And hold the burn. Hold the burn, actually. Burns so fucking much. Oh, sorry, I'm halfway up the screen, sorry. It's because I'm looking in the mirror. Sorry about that. Estimated time of completion, forever. It's only like 9 o'clock and I'm only putting a base down, so it might be a little while, maybe just... I'm a zombie. Crease lines. Can you guess, like, how I'm doing my zombie? Probably that, like, half his face is ripped off, but... Look at this. I wish I had covered my eyebrows. My eyebrows are too on fleek to be a zombie, I'm sorry. Got two brushes on the go. One is my application brush, and the other one is the blending brush. And just keep... Okay, good. Oh, good. I'm glad you guys are still here. Still working on it, but I'm a zombie. Zombie. I might go in with some more white and just brighten up my cheekbone a little bit here. Like I said, I'm just adding little black lines just to give it a little bit of shadow, kind of raise it off so it doesn't look so flat. You know what I haven't done yet is darkened. This is supposed to be like a piece of bone. I haven't darkened that yet. Whoops. Oh, it burns. I just put that on my eye. That was really ambitious. So good. I put it on my eye. Now it burns. I'm still adding some highlights and stuff into the gooiness. And I still wanted to add some gooiness around the eyeball. I need to shade the teeth a little bit, I think. And I still have to put a little bit of white here. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to blend it. I want to put some like yellow highlights, but like I said, I don't know if it's gonna be blendable. Here. Look at me, I'm a gross zombie. I still haven't done my neck. I might just like wear my hood. because I don't want to do my neck. Just kind of adding some color around to give the green a little bit of depth as well, so it's not like such a flat green. And I might need to do something with the bag. I don't like those bags per se, but we'll figure that out. I got from Amazon, I think. Okay, that's gonna be interesting to get it out of my ears tomorrow. Shaded, so we'll add some highlights. Whoop, let's get that over there. Get in my eyeball. It's like, why did it did that yesterday too? It's like it sits crooked. Does that mean it's not on my eye? I got it on the first try. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa. Huh. Okay. That'll take a second. The same thing happened yesterday. I'm a sad zombie. There. These bags, like, I've never been so happy to have bags under my eyes. Okay, I'm almost done. I swear to God, I am almost done. I'll look at it and be like, I think I'm gonna fix this thing. Alright, here's the zombie look. Also, I found my gray wig. So, let's see. Just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna put my gray wig on with it. Here, clip. Alright, give me your final verdict. How do you feel about the zombie look? The zombie makeup. Gotta pin this back. Pin this side too, because I want to be able to sort of see this side of the makeup. It kind of feels like, with the wig maybe, it feels kind of like not Blair Witchy, Exorcist-y. If you like this video, I would really love it if you shared it if you haven't already. And also, please like and follow my Facebook page if you would like to see more videos. I am going to be doing more before Halloween, but also hopefully after Halloween as well. And if you have any suggestions, please put them in the comments. Or there's also another video, we did a vampire last night. You could write your comments there too. Let me know what you think of my zombie. Like I was saying before, I didn't have any real picture to go off of. This was just kind of a bunch of pictures that were mushed in my head and I put them, and this is what came out. So like I said, if you do like this video, please share it. I love you forever. Or maybe tag somebody who wants to do zombie makeup for Halloween, because that would be pretty sweet too. Thank you so much for watching. I think I was done. I think I'm done.